Children, you may be asked to write a composition based on a verbal or visual output. As we have discussed earlier, article writing. Children, article writing input may be descriptive or argumentative. It is descriptive or argumentative in nature. Children, it can be form uh, of an article for a newspaper or a school magazine. The verbal input may include broad hints, a short outline, or only a suggested beginning. The visual input may be in the form of a figure, a diagram, a chart, or a cartoon. So, there can be two outputs, verbal and visual. You have to keep in mind, in case if it is input, it should be descriptive or it can be argumentative in nature. And in case if it is input, it can be in the form of an article for a newspaper or a school magazine. Children, whenever we are writing down an article, what is the aim of inserting an input? Children, the aim of inserting an input is twofold. Firstly, we have to lay down a general outline for the development of an article. Secondly, we have to discourage cramming. Children, you are expected to express your own views, or we can say ideas, on a particular topic or issue in your own language. You have to lay out a general outline. Prepare a outline in your mindset, make a mindset. And while writing an article, you should keep some points in your mind. Whenever you are writing down an article, you should keep the points which you have to remember are, firstly, you should study carefully the hints or the points given in the verbal input. Secondly, first of all, you'll study them. Okay, in case if they have given you some hints or points, you will study carefully. Then when you have studied the points, then secondly, what will you do is you will arrange the hints given in the order, because whenever we have to develop those points in the form of an article, it should be properly arranged. You shouldn't mess up things. Messed up things looks awkward. Children, whenever the things are arranged, and then what will you do is it they are in your mind. Then what will you do next? You will note down your ideas. Then, thirdly, you will pen down your ideas, your views. And then, when you will pen down, you can pen down. See, writing, whenever we write something, things becomes easy. So, note down your ideas and then organize them properly. It should be properly organized. Now, when you have noted down your ideas, then coordinate your ideas with the given hints. The hints, they the examiner have given you, coordinate your ideas, arrange them in a logical order. You can put your ideas under different headings as well, main headings I'm talking about. You can add sub points to the main point. And whenever we are putting our ideas under different main headings, we can develop, or sub points, we can develop each point in a systematic or logical manner. You can substantiate your argument if you're writing on a debatable point. Introduce the topic, main idea or main issue in the first few sentences. In the first few sentences, you should introduce the topic. Whenever we are concluding our article, your article must end with your conclusion on the topic or issue. Children, the features which are essential of a good composition are coherence. Now, what is coherence? Children, coherence means that the ideas should fit together. The ideas should fit together. Secondly, there should be a flow. Flow means that sentences should link up. Relevance. Relevance means every idea must relate to the topic. It should be relevant. Order. You should follow these features. Order. The order means that the ideas must be effectively and logically organized. Now, inclusiveness means, lastly, is inclusiveness, which means nothing important must be omitted. You should keep the important points in your mind, and important should not be omitted. So, the features, coherence, flow, relevance, order, inclusiveness should be kept in mind while writing down an article. Children, layout of an article, in case if you're talking about the article, the question he has given you, the 21st century has seen a severe erosion of values in the society. Experts and educationists stress on value based education as the need of the hour. Write an article in not more than 150 to 200 words on the need for the value based education. Children, we should keep in mind that the word limit should not exceed. The very first point which we have to keep in mind is title. Title, it is the heading of an article. Just a word, phrase, or even a short sentence may make the title. Children, title actually reflects the main idea, the theme, or the purpose of the article. Whenever we are writing down an article, name of the writer or the author, in case I'm telling you, in case if it is given in your exam, you will write down the name which is given in the question. So name of the writer or the author, we can write the designation in case if we have, in case if it is mentioned, then you will write down. Then in the very first para, children, you will give the Introduction. Introduction article, it should be catchy. It should attract the attention of the readers. Children, it should attract the attention of the readers, and it may open with a quotation, question, or some remarkable fact. Then after the first paragraph, that topic should be developed. Just now I told you that in after introduction, the main idea or the main issue should be discussed. So in this part, you have to develop the thought. You have to develop all the major facts and supporting ideas with the help of examples and evidences. Such facts and ideas are generally explained in 2 or 3 paragraphs, and children, in each paragraph, see, you have to be very careful in case if you are writing down an article, every paragraph holds its importance. So, in each paragraph, you will have to explain a particular idea. And again, conclusion is very much important. Whenever we are writing down, we have to we have to make sure that the conclusion is effective. Summing up, actually, summing up can be with the personal comment or suggestion. Summing up, in case if you are summing up or the conclusion, it is in case if you are not able to sum up or conclude, so you can merge also. Summing up means the main ideas expressed in the paragraph are summed up with your personal comment, and conclusion means ideas expressed in the article. You are expressing your feelings, your expectation, your appeal. So summing up can be in 1 or 2 line, and then conclusion in case if it is a you are appealing, you are making an appeal, you are expecting something, you're warning, or the action needed of the hour. So in the conclusion you can write down that what is the need of the hour. So, as an example, I'm giving you this article, pen down things, and after that, try to write down in your own, with your own viewpoint. Pen down things yourself also. Try to write it down according to the layout I have given you. Okay, children, stay safe.